Need to log data for technical support on your receiver? Look no further. Hello, I'm Joy from Septentrio. Let's dive into it. To assist you at best in a timely manner, the Septentrio support team requires at least 10 to 15 minutes of logged SBF data with support blocks for troubleshooting. Depending on the application and setup, your support engineer can also ask you to log SBF data with a different duration and data rate than what is recommended here. To obtain the necessary data, go to your receiver's web UI and open the logging menu. Click on New SBF Stream and select the support block, which contains all the information and the data required for debugging. When this box is checked, all the SBF blocks useful for support are automatically selected. Keep the logging interval same as you are currently using for your application, otherwise you can select 100 milliseconds. Remember to enable logging and click OK to save the changes. If you are experiencing some interference with your receiver, it is good to add the baseband data to the log. Follow the previously highlighted steps, except this time check the BB samples blocks as well. To do this, select Detail Selection, scroll down and check the BB samples block. To download the data, go to the Disk Contents menu and click on the green Download button. Any more questions? Visit our support page or contact us on our website. Thank you for watching.